Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a complete full stack Vue.js YouTube clone in Node.js Express and MongoDB. So it has two sections. First is the front end, which is coded inside Vue.js. So this is the front end here. All the components you will see is divided into its appropriate Vue.js files. It's fully customizable. This is using the latest version of Vue, Vue router, Vuetify, Axios, and this is actually the backend of the application, which is coded inside Node.js Express, and we also have the authentication as well, which is so this is also using MongoDB Mongoose library. So all the source code is given. You can directly purchase the source code. So once you purchase it, you will automatically get the source code from Google Drive. So we are running both the front end here. You can see it's a full stack YouTube clone. So this is the Vue.js application running on HTTP localhost 8080. And this is actually the backend which is running on port number 3001. So let me show you the demo of the application. So the demo looks like something like this. I've already created one account here. You will see it's actually a fully fledged YouTube clone. So you also get, this is your channel page here, 0 subscribers, and then you can go to YouTube Studio as well. So right here you have this option to actually upload a video here. So all these things are stored inside MongoDB database. So we are running this on MongoDB Compass here. So this is the database automatically create whenever you run the backend. So all these tables are automatically created here. The users table, subscriptions, comments, categories, everything. So then you have this option to actually upload a video. So we have the same interface of YouTube here. You will see that I coded this from scratch, and then you need to simply go to the video. So wherever you select the video here, and this processing will start here. So once it reaches 100%, you will basically give it a title, and then give it a description, visibility, public, and category you can choose. And then same goes with thumbnail as well. You can basically select the thumbnail here, simply click save, and automatically the thumbnail will be there. You click on submit, and the video is successfully inserted inside the videos table. You will see that it's automatically saved, and once you click this, automatically this video is successfully uploaded, that we uploaded right here. So it's stored inside this public/uploads directory inside the backend. This is actually the video successfully uploaded, and then you can simply play the video. The video will play. Inside the video player, you will see how easy it is, and this is the suggested video section right here. And similarly, you can just see how easy it is. This is all your videos, the number of views, comments, everything. This is the video page. You can do all sort of things here. You can like the video or dislike it, or you also have this download button which will actually open the video in the new tab. Then we also have the section to comment. Comment will be inserted, and here you can create a new account as well. So somebody creates a new account. So we have also the authentication section as well. You do need to sign in this application, and here you have this option to first of all create an account. So here you will put your email address, and you basically provide a channel name and then the password. So I've already created this from scratch, guys. It's very easy for you to purchase it and simply run this application, and also very easy for you to deploy this as well. If you still face any issues, I would there for you. You can email me after payment if you face any issues. It's easy for you to deploy this as well and run this. All these things are customizable. You can basically change anything and add additional features as well. So this will save you a lot of time. After you sign up, automatically the channel will be created here. This is, you can see, and automatically that entry will be created inside the users directory. Now we have two users, as you will see. This is a first user, this is a second user. And in this easy way, you can even search the channels as well, different in the search bar. So automatically this channel will come. So here you can click the subscribe button as well. So as you click the subscribe button, you are subscribed to this channel. So you can just see how easy it is. So if you go to, now we have one subscriber because we subscribe to this channel. So this is another channel here that we created. And now if you want to upload a video, once again you go to upload video. So you just select the video and then again the processing will start, and then automatically you visibility public. You can even do this as private as well. You also have this option. Category you can just select here. And once again, the thumbnail, and just click submit. And now you can see the videos are successfully uploaded. As this is a private video, you can change the visibility at any moment of time here. So the video will not play because it's a private video. So you can change the visibility, just edit the visibility from change to private to public, and now you will be able to play this video, and it will come right here in the sidebar section. You will see that. So all these functionalities are there: like, dislike, comment, everything you can do. So all the functionalities are present right here. So definitely purchase it if you are looking forward for this video streaming, video sharing script. So the front end is coded directly in Vue.js. You can see we are using the latest version of Vuetify, and in the backend we are using MongoDB, and it's a fully functional project. So we are using Mongoose for actually validating and inserting the data into MongoDB database. We are also using JSON Web Token for actually authentication purpose, and we are using Express, Node.js Express in the backend. So it's very easy for you to actually get started using this project. So we have this .env file. So once you purchase it, you just need to fill out your entries, and you just need to provide the MongoDB address wherever your database is hosted. So I already have this MongoDB Compass desktop software, so which lets you directly use MongoDB as a desktop software. You just need to give the name of the database right here, and rest of the things will be constant. This is your secret key for JWT, and file upload path is where the files will be there. So it's stored inside the public uploads. So it will create all these folders for you. Thumbnails, which will be stored, the thumbnails of the videos, and these are all the videos which are stored, and these are all the things in the backend. And now coming to the front end, you just need this URL where your app will be hosted. Your backend will be hosted, so just put this address wherever you are running. So our backend is running on port 3001, and this is a front end which is running. So you can just see here. So it's a fully fledged, full stack YouTube clone project. And if you're interested in this, definitely purchase it. And it has all the functionalities I've shown you from scratch. This is actually the channel page. Here all your liked videos will come, and the history will come. You will see whatever you watch, search. If you want to clear out, you can clear out as well, everything. So the search functionality is also working. So I only have a single video, so that's why you basically search, and based upon the videos will come, and here you can play the video in the video player. So you have full screen, all these functionalities are there. You can download, playback speed, you can even control as well. So if you still face any issues in running the application, you can email me. I will definitely help you, and the link is given in the description. After that, you will automatically get the source code from Google Drive after the payment. So you will see each and every, this is the auth component, categories, comments. So each and every component is customizable. It's coded inside JavaScript, and so it's also very easy for you to actually see how I coded this from scratch, and you can actually edit any of the files to add additional functionalities as well. So you can just see here. So each and every component is customizable. So this will be the watch URL. So you can just see automatically it constructed whenever you upload a video. As YouTube does, it automatically construct a URL. So this is the YouTube Studio, and the videos will come right here. As you upload more videos, the videos will come. The pagination, you can adjust the pagination, everything. So these are the settings of the channel. So you can change the channel name, email address. You can even change the password as well. Just write the current password, new password, submit. Here you can change the channel image as well. So everything is there, guys. If you're interested in this, the link is given in the description.